What the fuck?
What happened?
What is going on, bro?
Take me to my house, please.
Yo, get out my car.
What you mean you can't? Take me to your house.
I'm not no Uber. What the fuck?
It's called outside, please. Call outside. It's not calling here. It's called outside and staying in here.
I don't give a fuck. You want me to call the cops? You want me to call the
Call
cops?
whoever you want. Listen, when you call the cop, tell them to bring me a plane ticket to my country. Because in my country, even when it's cold, it's hot. Estoy harto de este
Listen, get the fuck out my car.
I'm not getting out no way. I'm not getting out.
Get the fuck-
If you want, you get out. I drive your car and you walk.
No. Get the fuck out my car. Yo.
Listen, este país me tiene harto. Listen, este país, maldito, el trabajo que yo estoy pasando no es fácil. Oíste, ahorita me quitaron lo incontado. Me dieron los cupones, pero me metieron una mentira de que viene una nieve y tuve que gastar los cupones. Y ahora este maldito frío que me están congelando los granos.
Okay, I don't care. Get out.
Así
Get
no.
out. Get out.
Listen, my friend, you're gonna
Get
take me
out.
to my house. Listen. Take me to the vivero, at least, so I can buy a gallina, so I can make a sancocho.
In my house.
Oh, in your house.
Okay.
Okay, so
You
take
drive.
me,
Come,
please.
drive. Bring.
I drive it?
Yeah, come.
Okay. Listen, I only drive drunky, but I take
Está
the
bien,
car,
ven.
no problem.